Samsung users are sleeping on these 7 insane features. Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can unlock some powerful Samsung Galaxy features that most users completely ignore. Stick around till the end so you don't miss anything important, because every feature here works even if you're using an older Samsung Galaxy phone. Now let's get started. Let's start with something that instantly makes your phone look premium. You lock your phone and your photo appears in the foreground while the clock sits perfectly behind it. When you move your phone slightly, the background shifts, creating a subtle 3D depth effect. This works using an app called Depth Live Wallpaper. First, open the Play Store. Search for Depth Live Wallpaper and install it. Open the app, scroll through the available wallpapers, and choose a free one. Then select Lock Screen or Home Screen. Some wallpapers are paid, but there are plenty of free options that already look amazing. This works smoothly even on older Galaxy phones and doesn't drain battery. Other is Schedule Dark Mode automatically. If you use your phone at night, this feature is a must. Instead of manually switching dark mode on and off every day, Samsung lets you automate it completely. Open Settings, go to Display, tap Dark Mode Settings, turn on Schedule. You can choose sunset to sunrise or set a custom time like 11 p.m. to 7 a.m. This reduces eye strain, saves battery on AMOLED screens, and makes nighttime use much more comfortable. Other is finding any setting instantly using search. Most people don't realize how powerful Samsung's setting search is. Instead of digging through menus, you can search for almost any setting instantly. Open Settings, tap the search icon at the top, type what you're looking for, like one-handed mode, battery protection, or screen recorder. Your phone jumps straight to the exact setting. This works on older Samsung models and saves a lot of time. Try muting all sounds instantly. Lowering the volume buttons usually only reduces media volume. Notifications and calls can still be loud. Samsung has a hidden option to mute everything at once. How to enable it? Open Settings, go to Accessibility, tap Hearing Enhancements, turn on Mute All Sounds. Now add the accessibility shortcut when prompted. Whenever you tap that shortcut, your phone instantly goes silent, perfect for meetings, classrooms, or quiet places. Built-in screen recorder with internal audio feature. Many users think screen recording is only for newer phones, but Samsung has had this for years. You can record your screen with system sound without installing any apps. Swipe down to open Quick Settings. Swipe again to expand it fully. Find Screen Recorder. If you don't see it, tap the 3 dots, choose Edit Buttons, and add it. Tap Screen Recorder. This works great for tutorials, gameplay, or saving important steps. Feature Pin Apps so no one can exit them. This is perfect if you hand your phone to someone and don't want them snooping. App pinning locks one app on the screen until you unlock it with your PIN or fingerprint. Open Settings, go to Biometrics and Security, tap Other Security Settings, turn on App Pinning. Now open any app, tap Recent Apps, tap the app icon, and select Pin App. The app stays locked until you enter your PIN or fingerprint. One-handed mode for big screens. If your phone feels too big to use with one hand, this feature fixes that instantly. Open Settings, go to Advanced Features, tap One-Handed Mode, and turn it on. You can activate it by swiping down from the bottom or double tapping the Home button, depending on your settings. This shrinks the screen so everything is easy to reach even on large Galaxy phones. So those are 7 Samsung Galaxy features that can completely change how you use your phone, even if it's an older model. If this video helped you, don't forget to like it, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.